Hello friends,
Hello, namaste. मेरा नाम इरीना
my name is Amir.
and welcome back to our channel.
Life with Russian Wife. So friends, finally हम रशिया में हैं और रशिया के स्मॉल टाउन में हैं जो इरीना का होम टाउन। और रशिया आते ही सबसे पहली चीज़ जो आपको पता लगेगी वो है यहाँ की ठंड। सो देखिए हम यहाँ पे जैकेट पहने हुए हैं, काफ़ी ठंड हो रही है।
But today is not stunned. Today is very pleasant weather. It's bright sun, and to be honest, while sitting like this and taking the sun rays on your face, feels so nice and wonderful. The weather is beautiful today, and I believe today we met some people who said that we brought sunny weather from sunny India, and I hope it will be staying and remaining the same weather till the end of the month. I dream about it only.
और यहाँ का मौसम बड़ा अच्छा है। आप देखेंगे कि जो स्काई है कितना नीला है। हालांकि हम दिल्ली में रहते हैं और दिल्ली में हमें कभी इतना ब्लू स्काई देखने को नहीं मिला, बट हियर विंड इज़ सो फ्रेश, एयर इज़ सो फ्रेश और काफ़ी ग्रीन है और लग रहा है कि एनर्जाइजिंग द लंग्स।
Yeah, this is pollution free because here there are no factories, and my hometown is called district center, so it is far away from the big metro cities, and all small villages people are coming here because only here they can get medical help, police, fire station. So it's like the center for all the small villages nearby. But yes, it is always pollution free because first of all there is green nature all around. If you walk outside of the boundaries of the town, there will be a lot of forests, green fields, and now of course it's called golden autumn because all trees are golden, reddish, and it's really beautiful. And I hope Amir is also enjoying here. What you
Yes,
enjoying?
I'm also wearing golden jacket, so I'm merging with the environment.
And how do you like the colors of the golden autumn?
कलर्स तो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं गोल्डन ऑटम के, बिकॉज ज़्यादातर ट्री गोल्डन कलर की हैं, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है। मेरे लिए तो फर्स्ट टाइम है, सो आई लाइक इट सो मच। और अभी हम जो हैं फ़िलहाल सेंटर में हैं टाउन के, और यहाँ का स्मॉल पार्क है जहाँ पे हम बैठे हुए हैं।
Not exactly park, it's a ground where people can come, have walk. Then here on the small square, people also have eternal fire. It is to the warriors who died in the Second World War. That fire is always opened. It is 24/7, 12 months a year. Always there is a fire. It is like for the memory of those who fought for the country. That's why every city and every town in Russia has this place. It is always located in the center, and here we are. We will show you what else is situated over here.
चलिए देखते हैं, थोड़ा सिटी का टूर करते हैं बाय वॉक। सो आप भी हमारे साथ आइए और वॉक करिए हमारे साथ रशियन टाउन में। सो ये है सेंट्रल पार्क, काफ़ी बड़ा है और देखेंगे आप छोटे छोटे यहाँ पे रशियन बच्चे की अभी स्कूल की छुट्टी हुई है, सो दे आर जस्ट वर्किंग।
Yeah, in Russia right now all schools started on offline classes, so they all go to schools.
यस, और ये जो आपको दिख रहा है येलो कलर का बॉक्स, ये गैस सप्लाई है। सो जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि रशिया इज़ अ कोल्ड कंट्री, सो सबके घर में सेंट्रल हीटिंग होता है, तो ये गैस के थ्रू आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं सेंट्रल हीटिंग, गैस फॉर कुकिंग समथिंग।
Yeah, because there we do not need to buy cylinders. Gas is already provided by the government. So here we have our favorite trees. These are the Christmas trees.
Wow.
And this one is the blue pine tree. It is very common in Canada and USA. So they're using it for New Year. But in Russia, we protect these trees because they are very, let's say, rare trees. But we use green trees for our New Year. But this is called blue pine tree. It has very nice aroma.
Wow.
So it will help you. And what is here?
I think it's a gun, big gun.
It's a cannon type, mini cannon, right, for the fight.
Yes.
Gun. It's a cannon. It's cannon to fight with the tanks. Caliber which it has, it is 76 millimeters.
70 millimeter. I guess it's written as 1941 से 1942.
Yeah, it was used in
used.
the Second World War. See, this is the thing which they used to have.
It's ammo.
Yes.
Wow. Russian strong gun.
From this side, you can even check because it was real gun which was applied that time. They will put their let's say bullet, and then it would be firing over there. So this is to protect, to destroy the tanks which were fighting.
सो ये है सेंटर ऑफ यहाँ का टाउन। और जैसा कि रीना ने बताया कि हर टाउन में एक मेमोरियल होता है, वॉर मेमोरियल, जो 1941-45 जो वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 हुआ था उनकी याद में बनाया जाता है। सो हेयर दे हैव इटर्नल फायर।
And
इटर्नल
all
मीन्स
the- yeah, eternal means it is every time fire is every time there. It never stops.
वाह,
Never stops. And you see these gray tiles. On those gray tiles, the names are carved. So these are all people who were from this particular place, and they never came back. So all the soldiers who fought in the Second World War, and they never came back. So they were protectors. They were defenders of our land.
सो रीना, यहाँ पे सबके वो नाम लिखे हैं जो दे डाइड इन वर्ल्ड वॉर।
They died and they never came. And these are the heroes. There is a memorial, another one, to the heroes who got many medals in the war. So these are also, they're all from this place.
सो दीज आर वॉर हीरोज।
War heroes from Second World War. Friends, and don't think that, oh, it's just few bunch, just 5 people, they're so less tiles, like how many people are there living? See, in Russia, population of the places is really small. Like in India, if you will go even to the village, it will be thousands and hundreds of people living there, millions of people. But Russian places, even towns and cities, have very less people, because in reality, Russia is huge, but it's half open because there is no humans here alive, let's say. So population of this place is little bit more than 3,000 people. So can you imagine? So these all places are like this. You can walk freely, it's always empty, and now you see it's an afternoon, but there is no one. 1-2 people are passing by and school kids. That's it.
और टाउन लग नहीं रहा, टाउन काफ़ी खूबसूरत बना रखा है। यहाँ के आप घर देखेंगे तो टोटली हट शेप के हैं, और घरों के पीछे आप जाएंगे तो बिल्कुल ओपन प्लेन लैंड्स हैं, ग्रीन एंड ह्यूज प्लेन लैंड्स।
See, this type of heart shapes we have in order to let snow slide down, because in winters we have lots of snow. If it will be flat like in India, then snow will remain there, and the roof will simply collapse. And like this it will slide down.
और ये फोटोग्राफ्स हैं फॉर पीपल हु डाइड इन द वॉर।
Yeah, this is not from this place but from whole district.
होल डिस्ट्रिक्ट, so many people.
Yeah, because in Second World War, majority of men died. That's why right now population of Russia consists 2 parts of women and only 1 part of men. Women are way more than men.
Wow, so this is the central of this town। और यहाँ पे so ये यहाँ की shops हैं। बाहर से देखने में तो लगेंगी नहीं शॉप्स हैं, इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ नॉर्मल बिल्डिंग, बट अंदर पूरा सुपरमार्केट है। सो ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स आर अवेलेबल।
It's supermarket which has everything, starting from eating and finishing with the home care. Because here you do not find small kiosks like in India. And yes, there is also bicycle parking they have applied. Because some
Bicycle.
kids do come by bicycles.
दैट इज़ नाइस। सो दोस्तों, रशिया में एक थोड़ा चैलेंज आपको आ सकता है कि जितने भी यहाँ पे साइन बोर्ड्स हैं सब रशियन में हैं, और मेरे को ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होगी नहीं, बिकॉज मैं जानता हूँ पढ़ना लिखना और बोलना।
You're my hero who mastered Russian language.
बस यहाँ का जो सन है वो काफ़ी इंटेंस है, इंडिया जैसा नहीं है, बिकॉज आई थिंक क्लीन वेदर की वजह से।
Clean weather, and plus the sun is closer to us than in India. In India it's more up. And here, whenever you come here in summers, you will definitely get tanned.
वाह। सो शॉप्स जो है यहाँ की हम आपको अगली वीडियो दिखाएंगे कि कैसी यहाँ की सुपरमार्केट्स की शॉप्स हैं।
Because it's totally different from India, and products are different, items are different in the shops, and everything. You will feel like you're in different world. Like you will see by yourself. Why to tell?
लेकिन जो अभी जो ऑटम का जो नेचर है काफ़ी अच्छा है, काफ़ी येलो और गोल्डन है। सो मैं आप देख ही सकते हैं खुद ही।
And this is the center, which is not just for memorials, but center of the government buildings and all. First of all, check the colors.
वाह
Second, wow.
वाह, सो ब्यूटीफुल कलर, गोल्डन, नाइस। इट लुक्स लाइक अ बिग न्यू ईयर ट्री, क्रिसमस ट्री।
Yeah, they are. These are pine trees. And people like these trees everywhere because they are, first of all, evergreen. These are evergreen. They never become yellow or else. Even in winters, they're remaining green.
And these are
Again, war memorial.
okay.
This is again all war memorials.
But weather is so good, Irina. I like the
Yes,
weather.
today weather is so lovely. Yesterday, when we just came and we had to do some paperwork, it was dull, and we thought that it will rain. But now weather forecast shows that it will be only and only sunny days. So how do you like? Write in the comments. Do you enjoy this type of view? Do you like this type of weather or not? So, and here building on the right, it's a local parliament, we can say. Here there is a mayor sitting. This is government building. It's administration of our town.
Okay.
So all the politicians and all sit over here.
Nice. और यहाँ पे I think it's a statue of Lenin.
Yeah, you're right. Absolutely right.
Oh, here I love my city. I think आजकल काफी ट्रेंड हो गया है जो भी टाउन है. They have.
Like, even in the small places, they're doing this logo. Seriously.
That is good.
So-
Also, it's a big square.
Yeah, first of all, this is the monument of Lenin, and behind, oh, it's only 9 degrees.
Wow.
This is the building of local ministers and let's say center of Matveevka. This is the center of my town.
Wow.
So, administrative building.
So nice. यहाँ पे मेरे ख्याल से you don't need to go to Europe.
So this is the center. On the right side, you see small building. In Russia, part of the main school, kids can select to learn some extra activities, like for example, learn musical instrument, vocal singing, or choir, or maybe painting and drawing. So this is the school for curriculum activities. So they are coming here to study, to learn something extra after their classes. And in front, this is our mini concert hall. So all programs are happening here. And whenever we have any programs in summers, then on this square, they're performing directly on this square. So people come and they watch here. And plus, in the center here, they always put New Year tree.
Wow, that's why the land is not that asphalted.
Yeah. No, this is all area is for programs.
Hmm.
But in winters and all, it happens inside, but in summers they do even different programs outside. So this is,
Nice.
let's say, square for concerts.
Nice. और अभी 9 डिग्री हो रहा है बाहर का टेम्परेचर बट
You do not feel so because
Because
it's
of sunny,
sun and no wind.
और स्क्वायर के पीछे ये एक ग्राउंड है. आई थिंक इट्स फॉर फुटबॉल.
Yeah, people play football in summers and they are making ice in winter, so they play ice hockey in winters. So they
Wow.
have two places like this. It is complete covered area only for playing ice hockey, and this open area people can come and play football. And plus,
Nice.
if you do not know, Russia, of course, has many religions just like India. And in many places, like cities, towns, you can find different temples, churches, mosques. So here we have, as my place is not so big, we have one church and one mosque. So the
That is the
gray
mosque.
one,
That is
yeah,
the mosque,
the
okay.
gray one which has this long top, it is the mosque. And if you go another side, then you will find a church over there.
वाओ, लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल. अगर जैसे मैंने बताया था कि बाहर दूर दूर में आपको सब प्लेन लैंड दिखेंगे.
Plain lands and then forest starts, and then after that there will be small villages. But yes,
great.
you cannot find like in India, one village moves to another, one city goes to the another city. So here we have big spaces between the cities and towns and villages.
Looks so nice. दोस्तों, और रशिया में आपको इजीली स्ट्रीट्स पे ऐसी ट्रीज दिख जाएंगी जहाँ पे स्मॉल बेरीज आपको दिखेंगी और आप ये खा भी सकते हैं.
And
और इट्स वेरी गुड इन टर्म्स ऑफ विटामिन सी. एंड हाउ इट्स कॉल्ड, इरीना?
It's called ribina.
Ribena. Irina eating Ribena. Wow.
They are a little bit sour, but whenever they are after frost, like after -5 or after -6, when they are becoming frozen, then they are so juicy and not that bitter and sour. They are really giving you boost of health. So you can just come, pluck and eat it. I will say that it's too sour for him.
Yeah, for me it's very sour.
But if you will eat it on daily basis, you will be 100% guaranteeing that you have enough vitamin C in your body.
Oh, that is nice. तो भाई विटामिन सी अवेलेबल है इजीली रोड्स पे.
See?
Yeah, looks so
There's
beautiful.
So much. They're just like wild berries. They can be found everywhere.
That is nice. Friends, I will tell you honest opinion कि although it's a small town, but it's very beautiful. Like houses are very beautiful, roads are very beautiful, and especially it's very clean. और यहाँ पे सारी सुविधाएं अवेलेबल हैं जो स्मॉल टाउन में लोग को चाहिए, जैसे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विसेज, शॉपिंग मॉल्स नहीं है बट लेकिन सुपरमार्केट्स आर देयर. बट सी लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल, लाइक फॉर पीसफुल लाइफ अगर आप चाहते हैं तो आप आराम से रशिया में स्मॉल टाउन में रह सकते हैं और पीसफुल लाइफ जी सकते हैं.
That's true.
एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड, हमारी और भी रशियन वीडियो आने वाली हैं. स्पेशली हम जाएंगे और डिफरेंट सिटीज़ ऑफ रशिया वी विल एक्सप्लोर एंड डेफिनेटली वी विल शो यू कि रशियन सिटीज़ कैसी लगती हैं स्पेशली इन ऑटम. सो
Yeah, and it will be new travel videos from Russia.
राइट. सो अगर आपको हमारा आज का वीडियो पसंद आया हो रशिया स्मॉल टाउन से तो इसको थम्स अप करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा.
And press the bell icon.
यस, प्रेस द बेल आइकन जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है ताकि आपको अपडेटेड रहे हमारी जब नई नई वीडियोस अपलोड हो.
So friends, we love you so much. Watch us, share with your friends, and see you very soon. For now,
Bye bye.
bye.